In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed TikTok videos in WordPress website. If you want to display a TikTok post directly on your WordPress site, the process is actually very simple. You'll first grab the TikTok link, then head over to WordPress and place it using the TikTok embed block. This is a quick way to make your pages or posts more engaging without needing any coding. Start by going to TikTok and opening the video that you want to feature on your website. Make sure you're on the exact video you want to embed because the link you copy will determine which post appears on your page. Once the video is open, click the share icon. This is the option TikTok provides for sending or sharing the post in different ways. After you click it, a sharing menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on Copy. This copies the TikTok video link to your clipboard so you can paste it into WordPress in the next steps. If you don't see anything happen, that's normal. In most cases, the link is copied automatically as soon as you select that option. Now switch over to your WordPress website and open the editor where you want the TikTok video to appear. On the top left side of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. This is where you can insert different kinds of content, including embeds from social platforms. In the block search field, type TikTok. WordPress will filter the available blocks and show the relevant result, which makes it easier to find exactly what you need without scrolling through the full list. When you see TikTok embed, click on it. This will insert a TikTok embed block into your page or post. That block is designed specifically for TikTok links, so it helps WordPress display the video correctly. Next, paste the code into the block. In this case, that means pasting the TikTok link you copied earlier. Be sure to paste the full link so WordPress can recognize it properly and generate the preview. After that, click Embed. WordPress will process the link and display the TikTok video directly inside your page. If everything was pasted correctly, you should see the embedded post appear in the editor. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a TikTok video in WordPress. Before publishing or updating your page, it's a good idea to preview it once to make sure the video displays the way you want. Once it looks right, you're all set.